Our journey begins not with a sketch, but with the precise selection of fabrics, where luxury meets the technical demand for flawless, supportive stretch. Rolls of soft micromesh and fine European lace are unfurled across the expansive cutting tables, bathed in the soft, focused light of the atelier. Each pattern piece, meticulously designed and digitized, is nested by sophisticated software to maximize material usage and minimize any potential waste. High-tech, automated cutters glide effortlessly, guided by lasers, ensuring every curve and seam allowance is executed with absolute, uncompromising fidelity. This initial, critical step demands the perfect synergy of human expertise and machine precision, setting the foundational structure for ultimate comfort and fit. The raw material, now transformed into precisely cut components, moves to the first stage of construction where dedicated craftspeople await its arrival. Here, the smallest details are prioritized. The delicate placement of the brand's logo or a signature embroidered pattern begins to personalize the garment. These subtle markings, often stitched onto the wing or near the clasp, affirm the bra's authenticity and its connection to a heritage of quality and design. Specialized embroidery machines work with incredible speed and accuracy, laying down thousands of intricate stitches that define the garment's unique aesthetic. We see the logo taking shape with perfect tension, ensuring the threads are smooth against the skin, never irritating, always beautifully integrated into the fabric. The pattern is not merely decoration, it is an integrated element of the design, contributing to the overall strength and the exquisite tactility of the final piece. Next, the true assembly begins, bringing together the many intricate components that form the complex, three-dimensional architecture of a truly supportive bra. We focus on the cups, where the fabric is often molded or shaped through a precise heat process, creating a seamless, ergonomic structure that mirrors the body. This thermoforming technique ensures a smooth, invisible finish under clothing, achieving a silhouette that is both naturally beautiful and incredibly supportive. Dedicated sewing stations hum with activity, where the main body of the bra is constructed, starting with the careful attachment of the all-important underwire casings. Craftspeople utilize specialized sewing machines, designed to handle the varied stretch and weight of the intimate fabrics with consistent, controlled tension. The vital bridge piece, connecting the two cups, is meticulously sewn to the frame, ensuring the bra will anchor correctly against the sternum for ideal support. Every stitch along the band and the edges is a double line of reinforcement, providing the necessary strength to distribute the weight evenly and comfortably. This intricate sewing work requires years of focused practice and a deep, intuitive understanding of how fabric behaves under the pressure of a running needle. The goal is not simply to join pieces of fabric, but to engineer a foundation garment that will move as one with the wearer throughout a long and active day. The shoulder straps, essential for fine-tuning the lift, are prepared with adjusters and rings, often crafted from polished metal or durable, smooth, nylon components. These hardware pieces must be incredibly resilient yet lightweight, ensuring ease of adjustment while remaining completely secure under the consistent daily tension of wear. The straps are attached to the cups and the back band with precise, reinforced box stitches, preventing any chance of tearing or weakening under consistent pull and strain. Attention then shifts to the back closure, a critical feature where comfort meets secure fastening, utilizing delicate hooks and multiple eyes for customizable fit across the torso. The hook and eye tape is sewn into the band with flawless alignment, ensuring that when the garment is clasped, the edges meet smoothly without any irritating uneven overlap. We now introduce the underwire, the powerful yet silent backbone of the design, which is carefully threaded into its soft, padded fabric casing, prepared earlier in the process. This wire is strategically positioned to cradle the bust, providing lift and separation without digging or pressing. A true feat of ergonomic engineering and careful placement. The channel ends are then meticulously sealed and reinforced with an extra layer of stitching, guaranteeing the wire will remain securely inside the casing throughout the bra's lifespan. Small but vital pieces of elastic are integrated throughout the band and underarm area, maintaining the bra's shape and providing essential recovery after repeated stretching and movement. These elastics are chosen for their high modulus, meaning they offer firm support without feeling restrictive, ensuring the garment moves dynamically with the wearer's body. The final assembly step involves the intricate process of attaching all the finished components, the cups, the straps, the backband, and the front cradle into a single, coherent whole. This phase demands the most skilled hands, as it involves working with the three-dimensional curves and varying tensions of multiple fabric types simultaneously and without error. Each seam where multiple components meet is carefully managed to prevent bulkiness, maintaining the sleek, smooth profile that defines a high-quality, perfectly fitted undergarment. It is at this stage that the bra truly transforms from a collection of parts into a supportive, sculpted, and aesthetically beautiful piece of wearable architecture. The process is a testament to the fact that true craftsmanship is about mastering complexity, creating apparent simplicity from a multitude of highly technical, integrated steps. Now, the fully constructed garment leaves the sewing floor and enters the meticulous quality control stage, where nothing is assumed and everything is thoroughly inspected for flaw. The first check is tactile, as experienced inspectors gently run their hands over every surface and seam, searching for even the slightest irregularity or misplaced stitch. They are trained to instantly identify any missed stitching, puckering fabric, or an elastic band that has been sewn with incorrect tension, which could compromise the fit. A comprehensive visual inspection follows, utilizing a focused light to examine the uniform color and flawless execution of any delicate lace or embroidered details. The hardware components, including the adjusters and clasps, are vigorously tested for smooth function and durability, ensuring they open and close with satisfying, reliable assurance. Critical measurements are taken at various points on the finished bra, comparing the actual dimensions against the precise, digitally stored specifications for that size and style. The length of the band, the depth of the cup, and the overall strap extension are rigorously confirmed, ensuring the garment adheres precisely to the exacting size standards required. Any deviation, even a marginal one that might affect the perfect fit, results in the garment being immediately flagged for careful and immediate repair or sometimes complete rejection. This uncompromising dedication to precise sizing is foundational to the philosophy of the brand, guaranteeing that a customer can trust the consistency of their chosen fit. The process is a necessary bottleneck, ensuring that only garments achieving an exemplary level of construction and finish are allowed to proceed toward the final presentation phase. Once the bra passes every tactile and technical inspection point, it is prepared for the crucial final step of hygienic pressing and careful presentation before being packaged. The garments are gently steamed and pressed, using specialized equipment that smooths any remaining creases, ensuring the fabric lies perfectly flat and retains its intended sculpted shape. This steaming process also serves a hygienic function, guaranteeing that the piece is pristine and flawless before it is carefully handled and encased in its final, protective wrapping. Attention now turns to the presentation, reflecting the belief that the boxing process is an extension of the overall luxury experience. A quiet moment of anticipation. A team carefully folds the bra, ensuring the delicate lace is protected and that the cups maintain their perfect form, preparing them for their signature. Branded housing. Each bra is gently placed into custom-designed, beautifully structured boxes, selected not only for aesthetics, but also for their ability to protect the garment during transit. The goal is to ensure that the bra arrives in the hands of the customer in the exact, pristine condition it left the high-tech, sunlit facility, ready for immediate, comfortable wear. Informational tags, detailing the care instructions and fabric composition, are delicately attached, providing the necessary guidance to maintain the quality for years to come. A final, external visual inspection of the packaging ensures the branding is flawless. The labels are correctly applied, and the product information accurately reflects the contents. This meticulous final check confirms the culmination of weeks of specialized labor, from the initial design concept to the final, ready-to-wear supportive garment. The bra, now encased in its distinguished, branded packaging, is ready to leave the atelier, carrying with it the invisible mark of expert design and dedicated craftsmanship. It is more than just an undergarment. It is a meticulously engineered foundation, created by a seamless partnership of human skill, technical mastery, and advanced machinery. We have witnessed the transformation of raw stretch, mesh, and delicate lace into a complex, supportive structure that adapts perfectly to the subtle contours of the human body. This process confirms the true definition of luxury craftsmanship, the fusion of intangible elegance with tangible, measurable performance, built upon a foundation of precision. From the first laser-cut piece of fabric to the final gentle seal of the box, every step embodies a quiet, unwavering commitment to the ultimate promise of perfect, personalized fit. The completed box, now sealed and ready for dispatch, represents the end of the manufacturing process, but the true beginning of the garment's purpose in the world. We reflect on the countless hours dedicated by the artisans, the quiet, focused energy of the sewing facilities, and the precision that defines every single component. True craftsmanship, in this high-tech environment, is not lost but is amplified, with sophisticated machinery serving as extensions of the expert craftsperson's trained eye and hand. The complexity required to construct a piece of intimate apparel that must offer both support and aesthetic beauty is often underestimated, yet remains absolutely vital. Each finished bra carries the weight of meticulous design. It is an intimate piece of architecture engineered to enhance comfort and confidence from the very first moment it is worn. Consider the subtle tension in the fabric, the perfect curve of the underwire, and the seamless transition between the lace and the smooth supportive mesh of the wing. These details are the difference between a functional garment and an exceptional one, elevating a simple necessity into a carefully considered piece of personal luxury. The knowledge shared within these walls, passed down through generations of specialized textile workers, is the true intangible value embedded within the final product. It is the unique institutional memory concerning stitch density, elastic recovery rates, and the tactile nature of luxurious fabrics that truly sets this production apart. The director's vision was always to create a product where high technology and human sensitivity work in perfect synchronization, never allowing one to overshadow the other's value. The organized setting of the atelier mirrors the clarity of the design philosophy. Every part has a purpose, and every process is focused on achieving the ultimate standard. Even as the finished product awaits transport, the commitment to its perfect state remains paramount, protected by its packaging against the rigors of global distribution and handling. The weight of the box feels substantial in the hand, hinting at the quality and the complex layers of fabric, foam, and delicate hardware contained securely within its shell. The experience of unboxing this garment is designed to be a moment of quiet revelation, a tactile connection with the luxury and the integrity of the design and manufacturing process. This manufacturing facility is not merely a factory, it is a center of specialized textile engineering, focused solely on the critical challenge of fit and feminine support. The enduring quality of a perfectly constructed bra ensures that it will maintain its supportive function and elegant shape long after less precisely made garments have failed. We close this chapter of the journey with the satisfaction of witnessing the complete, unbroken chain of creation, where a design concept finds its ultimate physical form. Every decision, from the choice of thread to the placement of the final quality seal, has been directed towards the single, an essential goal of providing unparalleled comfort and fit. The final shipment trucks arrive, collecting the carefully boxed collections, ready to distribute this dedication to craftsmanship across the vast landscape of waiting consumers. We observe these boxes departing, carrying within them the promise of supportive elegance, concluding the meticulous manufacturing process of the perfect foundation garment. The silence returns to the packing area. A brief pause before the next cycle begins, reinforcing the relentless, focused rhythm of high-quality textile production and assembly. The tools of the trade, the specialized feet on the sewing machines, the sharp glide of the cutters, and the precise measurements of the tapes await their next use. The scent of new fabric, softened by the steam pressing, lingers in the air, a reminder of the thousands of square feet of luxury material transformed and elevated here today. This documentary has revealed that the magic of a perfect fit is not happenstance. It is the calculated result of highly skilled labor and dedicated of a different, relentless engineering. We have followed the bra's evolution, from abstract pattern on a screen to a beautifully structured, tactile, and supremely supportive piece of wearable foundation architecture. The precision demonstrated in attaching the strap adjusters and the smooth lining of the underwire casing are hallmarks of a commitment to the longevity of the garment. Ultimately, This is a story about the intersection of artistry and utility, where aesthetic beauty is seamlessly integrated with the functional demands of daily support and comfort. The process ensures that when the customer fastens the smooth, resilient hooks for the first time, they feel the immediate, comforting embrace of a garment designed specifically for them. This level of quality control guarantees a minimal return rate, fostering customer trust that their chosen size and style will perform exactly as the design intended, without fail. The bright atelier setting, with its clean wooden tables and abundant light, speaks to the transparency and the dedication to excellence upheld throughout every stage of fabrication. Even the simple act of packaging reinforces the brand's identity, ensuring that the final presentation is as refined and considered as the garment it carefully protects within its walls. We take a final look at the organized workspace, where dedicated craftspeople, still wearing their aprons, are meticulously preparing for the next demanding cycle of production. The inherent challenge in intimate apparel is achieving complex structure with invisible support, a subtle form of engineering that this facility has clearly mastered and perfected. The memory of the automated cutters and the specialized stitching lines remains, a testament to the powerful tools utilized to translate human design into physical, flawless reality. The success of this product lies in the ability to balance the technical requirement for firm support with the sensory need for softness, lightness, and delicate, luxurious feel. Every single bra leaving this facility is not merely mass-produced. It is the unique result of an assembly line where quality inspection takes precedence over sheer, relentless speed. The end product provides the wearer with more than just physical support. It offers the quiet, steady confidence that comes from wearing something meticulously made and perfectly fitted. The legacy of this facility is written in the consistency of its measurements and the resilience of its materials, guaranteeing an investment in long-term comfort and personal style. Our film concludes here. Having fully documented the technical poetry involved in transforming fine fabric into the ultimate foundation garment, the perfectly fitted, modern bra, the cycle of creation continues, a silent promise of unparalleled quality, ensuring the sophisticated standard of supportive, tailored intimacy is maintained for every customer, everywhere.